VX2000 industrial strength 3D printer is being launched at Euromold, the largest machine ever displayed at Euromold. The VX2000 fills an important place in the lineup of proven voxeljet products in between the VX1000 and the VX4000. With a build area of 2 meters by 1 meter by 1 meter depth, the VX2000 is able to build small numbers of very large parts or large numbers of very small parts or any combination in between. This flexibility enables the VX2000 to provide a wide range of solutions for industrial products, product development, large size models, and of course investment and sand casting applications. Voxeljet technology offers significant advantages in the manufacture of complex cores and parts, and due to their complicated geometry, offers a digital alternative to traditional core manufacturing methods.